Hey everyone! Welcome back to HealthHub Daily, your go-to source for natural health tips and remedies. If you're struggling with a cold or flu, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're diving into some simple yet powerful natural remedies that can help you recover quickly, naturally, and in the comfort of your own home. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's get started. First up, we have a classic remedy that never disappoints: ginger and honey tea. Why does this work so well? Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting off colds. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antiviral, and it promotes better circulation, which helps your immune system do its job. On the other hand, honey isn't just there for sweetness. It's a natural cough suppressant and does wonders for a sore throat. Here's how you make it. Take fresh ginger root, slice it up, and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. Once it's ready, strain the liquid, let it cool just a bit, and stir in a spoonful of raw honey. Sip on this twice a day and you'll feel the difference almost instantly. Trust me, this is one remedy you'll want to keep in your rotation all winter long. Next on the list is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This is a game changer, especially when you're dealing with body aches or inflammation caused by the flu. The secret here lies in turmeric, which contains curcumin, a natural compound with strong antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Besides, it's comforting and warms you up from the inside out. To make it, simply warm up a cup of milk, any kind will do, and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and if you'd like, sweeten it with a small amount of honey. Drink this before bed and you'll wake up feeling soothed, with reduced inflammation and better overall comfort. Now, let's tackle one of the most frustrating parts of being sick: nasal congestion. If you're struggling to breathe, steam inhalation might just be your best friend. This simple remedy opens up your airways, relieves sinus pressure, and helps clear any mucus buildup. Plus, it feels like a mini spa treatment, something we could all use when we're under the weather. Here's how to do it. Boil some water and pour it into a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil, which are great for clearing nasal passages. Drape a towel over your head, lean over the bowl, and inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful not to get too close to the hot water. Make sure it's safe and comfortable. Afterward, you'll feel refreshed and breathe much easier. Moving on to a natural remedy that's been used for centuries: garlic. Garlic is like nature's antibiotic. It's packed with allicin, a compound known for its ability to fight off infections. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. Here's a simple way to use it. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of garlic to release their active compounds. Mix them with a spoonful of honey to make it easier to consume. If you're feeling bold, you can even eat the garlic raw for maximum benefits. It's strong, yes, but few remedies are as effective when it comes to boosting immunity and fighting off colds. Finally, let's not forget 2 of the most overlooked yet essential remedies: staying hydrated and getting enough rest. When you're sick, your body works overtime to fight the virus, so it's crucial to support it by drinking plenty of fluids. Warm water, herbal teas, broths, and soups are all excellent choices. They keep you hydrated, soothe a sore throat, and help flush out toxins. Equally important is rest. Your body does its best healing when you're asleep, so make sure you prioritize quality sleep and avoid overexerting yourself. Give your body the time it needs to recover, and you'll bounce back faster than you think. And that's it for today. These simple remedies are not only effective, but also easy to make with ingredients you probably already have at home. Give them a try the next time you're feeling under the weather, and let me know which one works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HealthHub Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay warm, stay healthy, and as always, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.